Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious milkshake using a blender. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Choosing quality ingredients is key to a fantastic milkshake. For instance, a rich, full-fat ice cream and whole milk often yield the creamiest results. Get ready to blend. Now let's get blending. Start by adding approximately 1.5 cups of ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of milk. This ratio is a great starting point for a thick, creamy shake. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase the speed until everything is smooth. Avoid over-blending to maintain that perfect, thick consistency. This is where you can truly make your milkshake unique. Feel free to add flavorings like 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For extra texture and fun, consider mix-ins such as crushed cookies, small candy pieces, or chopped nuts. Just blend these additions for a very short time, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to ensure they are incorporated without becoming completely pulverized. Your delicious, homemade milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the creamy concoction into a tall, chilled glass. For a professional touch, consider garnishing it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a sprinkle of your favorite toppings. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately to savor their cold, thick, and refreshing qualities. Cheers to your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.